Welcome back to Shaikhain, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I am Said Sheikh. The urge to question is natural for small children, but few of us are aware of the fact that urge to question is also one of the most vital tools for successes in our lives. It's also a fact that curiosity and the ability to ask the right questions fuel innovations and really can drive change, not just in businesses but also in our personal lives. In today's world of very fast-paced changes and technology, there is a huge need for creative innovations, for questioning the way things work and coming up with something new. It is certainly the time to look outside the box for every possible thing, and to this your why leads you incredibly. You know that constant questioning of why and ability to fall without fear, the sense of curiosity and the wonders we enjoyed when we were children is something that one should love to carry with him as an essential parcel of childhood, as that much of ignition very essentially required to explore your why through your journey. However, we don't look backwards for very long. We keep moving forward, opening up new doors and doing new things. And curiosity keeps leading us to new paths. And with your strong why, we go and explore, we go and innovate, and we go and explore, asking as much questions as of your why. Let us conclude this message like this, that because of your power of why, it becomes possible to reignite your inborn curiosity and overcome long-standing barriers within yourself, so leaving you more creative, productive, innovative, and contented to your job and happier in your relationships. So keep fueling up your curiosity and keep asking questions as to why the things are like this. No matter of your age, you should still enjoy your curiosity. So know your why and be in love with your why. To watch more videos on power of why, stay with Shaikhain.